Hello students, good afternoon to everyone. Today we are going to read or discuss remaining part of the famous essay of friendship written by Francis Bacon. If in the previous videos we have known that this essay of friendship was a part of Francis Bacon's collection of essays titled by the essays, and this collection of essays is very important work in literature. Alexander Pope once commented on the Francis Bacon that he was the wisest, the brightest, and the meanest of mankind. If we think about the essays or essay writer, Lord Bacon is chiefly remembered for his essays, and his every essay is full of ideas and wisdom with literary beauty. This essay of friendship was published in his first collection of essays in 1597, and in this essay Lord Bacon talks about many aspects of friendship, many benefits of friendship, why a man needs friend in his life, and how a friend becomes a remedy of mind. On these topics Francis Bacon talks in this essay. So let's start our remaining part of the essay where we were talking about the flattery which a man do with himself, and Francis Bacon clearly says that there is no such remedy has prepared for the flattery which a man do with himself. So, and again Bacon talks on some point for counsel. Counsel is of two sorts, the one concerning manner and the other concerning business. Francis Bacon here clearly says that a man can be flattered towards oneself, but a true friend and the good advice which comes from a friend is of two sorts, which may be related to the manners, the behavior which used in daily routine, and the other is counsel is related to the business or his professional life or his job. For the first is best preservation to keep the mind in health is the faithful admonition of a friend. Or if we talk about the first sort or first kind of counsel, it is the best solution to keep our mind healthy. Means whenever we commit mistake, our friend tells us that do it right, improve yourself. This good advice comes from only a good friend, and this for first counsel is the best solution to keep our mind healthy, and in this kind of counsel there is one necessary point, which should be the friend should be loyal to a person. The calling of a man self to a strict account in a medicine, sometime to Paris and corrosive. If a man think that I am all in all, and I can improve myself, I need no one to make me correct, or I feel no necessary someone to tell that this is right or wrong, then it is very difficult to maintain ourselves, our man's own self with strict account. It is just like a medicine which becomes very bitter sometime to take it. Reading good books of morality is flat and dead, and then there is a person who think that I will read good books and will improve my behavior, and I need no friend, I need no person to share, then this trend or reading good books is also useless, is little flat and dead. Means it cannot be best solution to keep our mind healthy, to keep our heart happy. Observing our faults in other is sometimes improper for our case. There are some other kind of person who notices others' mistake and learn from their mistakes. And this idea may be sometime good or sometime improper for our case, because every person, every man has different behavior, different ideas, different way of thinking. So learning from others' mistakes, it cannot be always useful or always right. But the best recipient is the admonition of a friend. But if we have a good friend, or making friends is the best option of this problem. Means if a person wants to improve his behavior, then the best recipe is to accept a friend. It is a strange thing to behold what gross error and extreme absurdity may do commit for want a friend to tell them of them. And it is very strange. In the lack of a good friend, person do many serious mistakes which may affect his fame and prosperity both. As Saint James said, there are as men look sometimes into a glass and presently forgot their own shape and favor. Uh, Francis Bacon is talking about other different types of men, and he has told that some people think that we will improve, that we will take help of good books. It is not useful now. Some people thinks that we will learn from others' mistakes and improve our behavior or work. It may be also not useful always, but Francis Bacon takes this person in the line of Saint James, that they are the as men to look sometime into glass. Means those people who thinks that they not need any friend, they need not anyone to tell them what is right or what is wrong. They are just like mirror. They are the person who looks into mirror and forget their own shape and favor, and in the process of correcting themselves to from learning through the mistakes of other, in this process they forgot their own shape and favor, they forgot their real view, they forget their real opinion. So Francis Bacon again focus of having a friend, that every man should have a best friend or loyal friend who can save his fame and prosperity, who can tell a person whenever he needs his advice, he can give loyal advice to him. And a man can improve his behavior through good counsel of a loyal friend. As for business, a man may think if he will. Now he is talking about second kind of counsel. First counsel was related to manners, and second is related to job, workplace or business. As for business, a man may think if he will that two eyes sees no more than one. And here Bacon is also again saying that why a person need man friend in business also, that if a man think that both eyes are sees equal, then one eye sight, means there are more equal importance of one or two eyes. So it is not possible, because two eyes sees more than one eye, and or that a gamester sees always more than a looker on. Or here Francis Bacon gives example that how friends manage everything. Our minds is strong, he clear. As for business, a man may think if he will that two eyes sees no more than one. If a person thinks that my two eyes are seeing equal and there is no importance or one side, and other again he is giving example of a player, because when a player enters in a field, he feels hesitation, or he faces the glaring of looker on, glaring of visitors or the people who are sitting in the fields, or that a man in anger is as wise as he had said over the 4 and 20 letters. Or again he is giving example of a man who is in anger trying to count 24 letters in one breath, or that musket may be shot off as well upon the arm, or or and he is talking about a gun shooter who it is in these lines Bacon is putting examples that why a man need friend sort of as well of the arm as upon the rest such other fond and high imagination to think himself all in all. Whenever this kind of situation comes in a man's life, a man feels confused, a man feels storm in the mind, storm of thoughts, and then only and only good friend can clear everything, can help to reach on a conclusion or a decision. So in this line Francis Bacon presents examples of a player, example of a man, of an angry man who is trying to count 24 letters in one breath, or a shooter who is trying to making his target, and all other kind of these person, such other fond and high imagination. And Bacon is saying that there are many kinds of person who thinks like this, to think himself all in all, means they think that they are complete in their own and they need not no one. And whenever this type of situation comes in life, every person needs a friend, because it is only a friend who can make everything clear, and who helps you to come out from the storm of confusion, storm of thoughts.